Welcome to the GraphLinq Hub. We will show you how you will be able to swap and bridge ERC20 and GraphLinq Chain tokens on GraphLinq Hub once it's launched. Let me show you how. So what features await you in GraphLinq Hub? Supplying liquidity and getting LP trading fees. By supplying liquidity to the pools, you will not only contribute to the efficiency of the market, but also earn trading fees as a reward and foster a liquid ecosystem on GraphLinq Chain. Swapping ERC20 GraphLinq Chain tokens. Seamless token swaps are essential for facilitating smooth transactions, and GraphLinq Hub aims to offer a streamlined solution for swapping ERC20 and GraphLinq Chain tokens. Earning yields through farming pools. Farming pools on GraphLinq Hub will allow you to earn yields by staking your tokens. This is a great way to maximize your ROI and take advantage of the potential growth of the GraphLinq ecosystem. Staking GLQ and getting rewards. By staking GLQ tokens, you will be able to earn rewards in the process. This not only incentivizes long-term holding of GLQ tokens, but also ensures the decentralization and resilience of the GraphLinq Chain network. Bridge ERC20 and GLQ chain tokens. Validator page to delegate your stake and contribute to the decentralization of the network. Launchpad to bring your ideas to life and launch innovative DeFi projects directly at the GraphLinq Hub. Bento UI Smart Engine, which will be connected to the GraphLinq Hub to execute no-code transactions without managed wallets, so you can perform your on-chain tasks effortlessly. You can start bridging and swapping tokens in just seconds by going to your dashboard. Simply click Connect Wallet and choose the wallet that you'd like to move funds from. Of course, if you are swapping crypto onto GraphLinq for the first time, make sure you send some Ethereum to cover gas fees. Next, click Bridge. In the From box, select the token you'd like to bridge from. Then, in the To box, select which crypto you are bridging into. Enter the quantity that you'd like to batch. Lastly, click Send and boom. Wrap tokens are on their way to your wallet. You can also swap tokens that you have bridged. To do this, just click Swap and make sure that you switch to the GLQ chain network. And just like you did with bridging, in the You Pay box, you'll need to select the amount you'd like to swap. In the You Receive box, you'll see the amount that you'll receive in this swap. Then just choose the slippage you'd like to have. Lastly, click Send and boom. Tokens have been swapped in your wallet. Enjoy all the features of GraphLinq Hub.